Ever wonder what the Reef Suite looks like inside the Mandalay Bay Hotel? Take a tour with me to check it out.
We're going to show off the Reef Suite at Mandalay Bay. Mine comes with a little pitty to greet you at the entryway. Hello, Zander. And you walk into your beautiful living room space. Perfect size for your doggos to go running around or to bring your friends over. To the right is the bedroom. We'll get to that in a minute. There is a guest bathroom over here. It's a half bath. Here's a little closet. Guest bathroom. Zander's going to inspect it. And you have a kitchen space, or a dining room space. Connecting door. And then there's a second exit door over here. Here is your wet bar kitchen area. You have a refrigerator, about a half-sized fridge, not bigger than a mini fridge, but it does have an ice maker inside. And your sink and mini bar. There is a TV in here. And this was the view from this particular room. Each one is going to have a little bit different view. This one is facing the Allegiant Stadium and the Michelob Arena where the Aces play. And then this is the view from the dining area. What you think, Aspen? You like it? We're gonna follow Bayu around, and we will show off the bedroom. Another big TV in the living room. I'm gonna do it. That's the entryway we came in. Here we go into the bedrooms. Don't worry. Your bed will come made. We just spent the night last night, so that's why it's a little bit messy. Do have a nice TV in here. It's a pretty big bedroom. Bathroom space. This shower actually does have a steam feature, so it's a steam shower. Here you have the controls right over here. Nice bench to be able to sit in and soak up the steam. The dual sinks, little powder stool, nice soaker tub. It does have the little jets in there. I'm not sure if they work yet. I haven't tested it out. And you have the duvet and regular toilet. Most important feature though is this. We have a phone jack in both bathrooms, so if you're doing your business and you got to get some serious work done, you have a phone jack in the bathroom in case of emergencies. And that, my friends, is what the Reef Suite looks like. It is a beautiful suite. Definitely recommend. Bayu, you recommend? You recommend it? What about you?
Absolutely.